It's estimated that 61% of the world's population will live in urban areas by 2030, including in Uganda. This rapid urbanization will come with its associated effects like congestion, poor waste management, and increase in slum areas due to lack of decent and affordable housing.
And as a country, we are faced with a big number of movement of people from the rural areas to the urban areas. It is the highest percentage at 5.8% in the whole world. The average global is 1.8, but Uganda's average is 5.8. So these numbers that are coming to the city, we've been engaging with all the stakeholders in this joint review meeting to look at how we provide for them. They are not only coming to sleep. When they come, they are looking for opportunities, employment opportunities in institutions that are in cities.
It's also estimated that urban centers in Uganda have already 7 million housing deficit that puts the life of dwellers at risk since they live in unsafe houses.
The second challenge that we have is the issue of housing deficit. The housing deficit simply means that there are not enough housing units to accommodate our people in urban areas.
To adequately prepare for the challenge of rapid urbanization, experts have urged the government to start investing in decent and cheap planned housing units through affordable loans and private partnerships.
Is to ensure that we capitalize the National Housing Construction Company, which is a construction arm of government, to ensure that they can provide low-cost housing for the population, but also recapitalizing the Housing Finance Bank so that we can have significant reduction in the mortgage rates.
Present at the joint review meeting on sustainable urbanization and housing program in Kampala was the State Minister for Lands and Housing, Obiga Kania, who acknowledges the challenge but blames it on gross underfunding to his ministry.
In addition, Uganda has established 11 new cities and more municipalities. And for the urbanization infrastructure to be competitive, these cities require robust policies, regulation framework, and adequate financing to make the international standards and opportunities. Yet, the implementation of these policies has become difficult because of the gross underfunding in this program.
The Minister for Local Government, Raphael Magezi, who represented the Prime Minister, Robin Anabanja, pledged to lobby for more funds on top of available government programs to ensure people live in decent houses and cities.
Uganda's increasing urban population and urbanization. It is anticipated that Uganda will be among the most urbanized countries in Africa by 2050. The NRM government, through its manifesto, committed to undertake the following measures to improve urban housing. 1. Enhance wealth and job creation programs, sustainably raise citizens' income levels to enable them to afford decent housing. 2. Provide essential public services, including clean water, sanitation, healthcare, and education to informal settlements in Kampala's slum areas. These services will also be provided to informal settlements in other cities and municipalities.
Philip Aguta for UBC News in Kampala.